Hey guys, huddle up! It's time for another Around the Storage Block Chalk Talk. In this Chalk Talk, we'll look at the Hewlett-Packard Enterprise StoreEasy portfolio. With StoreEasy, you can focus on your business and not your file storage. Small and medium business, as well as large enterprises, need storage they don't have to think about. StoreEasy lets you focus on your business and not on IT. Let's talk about the core benefits. First, it's optimized, tailored for file storage, with pre-configured hardware and operating system, an installation wizard for easy, fast deployment, and best practices-driven storage provisioning tool, and a StoreEasy dashboard for health, performance, capacity monitoring, and management. It's efficient, saving time and money. Support for tens of thousands of concurrent users with multiple diverse workloads, and subfile deduplication for an average savings of 50 to 60%, and enterprise file sync and share from anywhere. It's secure. Keep data protected, always. Built-in encryption for data at rest and in flight, sophisticated access controls, and with optional cloud backup and optional SEC-grade compliant archive with ICAS software. And it's highly available. Prevent business and user disruption. Continuous HPE active health system monitoring. And file system online self-healing automates most repairs. And comprehensive 3-year on-site warranty plus 1-year 24/7 telephone software support. You might be surprised to learn that the Hewlett-Packard Enterprise StoreEasy is the #1 NAS family in the under $15,000 price range. And we've completely refreshed the portfolio, moving to Proliant Gen 9 hardware. So here are some of the improvements by the numbers. 211%, 21%, 2 times, 25 times, and 9 times. What's this all mean? The latest StoreEasy family has as much as a 211% increase in capacity and a 21% decrease in dollars per gigabyte. There's 2 times faster transfer speed with improvements on the back end, while RAID rebuild write operations are 25 times faster and RAID rebuild reads are 9 times faster. And StoreEasy just got even easier. There's simpler deployment with pre-configured hardware and OS and a task-driven installation wizard that reduces manual steps. There's straightforward storage provisioning with predefined best practices templates, and easier management with a new StoreEasy dashboard that simplifies day-to-day operation. I want to mention the configuration task wizard as an example. This has more value from Hewlett-Packard Enterprise because there are additional features only available with StoreEasy that aren't available with the Microsoft Initial Configuration Task Wizard. For example, we've seen that the network configuration is a step that causes errors, so the StoreEasy Additions helps you eliminate those errors. And if you're clustering StoreEasy systems, the wizard automates this to correctly configure your cluster, and the Protect the Server suggests ways to protect your data. Next, let me briefly talk about some of the ideal use cases. Heterogeneous file sharing across multiple client platforms with Windows client support for SMB and non-Windows client support for NFS. Home directory consolidation, where you can achieve greater efficiency and security without compromising user productivity. You can simplify remote and branch office connections with secure, efficient, and available features optimized for Microsoft environments like branch cache, native antivirus, print file services, and more. And then there are applications over SMB. The SMB client and the SMB server are optimized for small, random read-write I/O, and with StoreEasy, we can provide highly available shared storage for SQL and Hyper-V. Finally, let's look at the StoreEasy portfolio. When you're getting started, there's the StoreEasy 1450, a 1U rack mount with 32 terabytes of internal storage, and the tower-based 1550 with up to 48 terabytes. Both can support additional external capacity. When you're building momentum, there's the capacity-optimized StoreEasy 1650 with support for up to 5,500 clients with 12 large form factor disk drives. The performance-optimized StoreEasy 1850 can handle up to 7,900 clients, and it supports up to 24 small form factor drives and performance SSDs. There's a new product, the 1650 Expanded. This has a maximum capacity of 224 terabytes in the same 2U form factor as the 1650, but offers ultra-dense capacities for bulk user files and secondary storage workloads. And for business expansion, there's the StoreEasy 3850 Rack and Blade Gateway. It can handle up to 30,000 clients per node. And with this solution, you'd use the 3850 as a gateway with your SAN, so capacity is dependent on the SAN that you use. There's only so much we can cover in a Chalk Talk, so to learn more, visit hpe.com/storage/StoreEasy. You can find me on Twitter as Calvin Zito, and our blog is at hpe.com/storage/blog. Until next time, thanks for joining me.